right? Then I can post the link. I can post the link on WhatsApp. Right. Right. So I will send the link. Please share that link in your WhatsApp group. Right. So there are five different reliefs under deductions. Part B. The one, relief for employment income is equal 700,000. Relief for foreign service income is 15 million. Relief for rent income equal 25% of total rental income. Relief for interest income for senior citizens 1.5 million. Relief, personal relief equal 500,000. Right. So these are coming under the relief. And qualifying payment, there are two. One is donation to approved charity in money. The second one is donation to the government for donation to the government in terms of money or otherwise. Both of them are accepted. Right. Now we will move to the next section, taxable income of a person. Taxable income of a person. Now we will move to the part C of the return form, calculation of taxable income. Calculation of taxable income. Right. First we talk about employment income, business income, investment income, then other income. Total of these four equal assessable income. Then there are some deductions. We can group the deduction into two parts, reliefs and qualifying payment. Under the reliefs, there are five different kind of reliefs, and under the qualifying payment, there are two different payments. So from assessable income, we can deduct reliefs and qualifying payment, that is equal taxable income. That is equal taxable income. Assessable income minus reliefs and qualifying payment equal taxable income. The taxable income of the taxable income the taxable income of a person for a year of assessment shall be equal to the total of person's assessable income, that is employment income, business income, investment income, other income for the year less, less qualifying payment and relief for the year under the section 52. Right, very simple. Taxable income equal assessable income minus qualifying payment and reliefs. Right, very simple form. In simple form, taxable income equal assessable income minus qualifying payment minus tax relief. Right. So now we have covered most part of the sections, most part of the section of the Inland Revenue Act. Now we move to some examples, right? We move to some examples, right? Question number 1, Mr. Pereira has received rupees 400,000 of business income and 600,000 of gain from the realization of portfolio of unlisted shares that he has held as investment for the year of assessment 2018-19. Assume Mr. Pereira has no any other income and is tax resident in Sri Lanka for the year of assessment. Right. What is the total relief he can enjoy in arriving taxable income? Right. When you look at Mr. Pereira, he has only two sources of income. Number one, business income that is equal 400,000 and capital gain income rupees 600,000. Right, 400,000 business income and capital gain 600,000. Right. So, right. The question is talk about what is the total relief can enjoy in arriving taxable income. Right. When we look at here, does he eligible to get relief for employment income? Does he eligible for that? This one, Schedule 1, relief for employment income. Please post your answers. Please post your answer. He's not entitled to get because he doesn't have any income from employment. Therefore, he is not entitled to get relief for employment income. Relief for foreign sales income? No. Relief for rent income? No. Relief for interest income? No. Personal relief? Yes. Personal relief is equal to maximum 500,000, but that 500,000 should exclude capital gains. Here, yes, this one. Rupee, the relief as follows. Rupees 500,000 for each year of assessment for the individual who is not a trustee, receiver, executor, or liquidator. Right. Further, this relief is not available to deduction against the gains from realization of investment assets. In this example, here he is having an income equal 600,000. It's a gain from realization of portfolio of unlisted shares. It's a capital gain. Right, now we move the answer. Mr. Pereira is entitled to apply the basic relief against his business income of rupees 400,000, but not against investment gain of 600,000. Accordingly, his taxable income will be 600,000. How? 600,000 plus 400,000 minus 400,000. The excess relief of 100,000 will be disregarded. I will do in their Excel sheet. Can you see my Excel sheet? Can you see my Excel sheet? How? Okay, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now he has income, right? So according to the schedule, First one is what? Income. Part 1, income. And there are 4 different types. And you can put it. First, employment income. Employment income, and business income, investment income, other income. Here, employment income equals 0. There is no employment income. Business income equal 400,000, and investment income equals 600,000, and there is no other income. Then how much assessable income? How much assessable income equal how much? Please post the answer. Assessable income equal how much? Assessable income. Any answers? Assessable income equal MS12. How much assessable income? Assessable income how much? Yes.
1 million.
Yes. This for total of this sum of these 4 equal 1 million. Now we can deduct something. What? We can deduct reliefs. We can deduct some reliefs. Can deduct some reliefs. Right? Reliefs. So what are the reliefs are available? So normally we reliefs are reliefs for relief. Reliefs. What are the reliefs are here? Employment relief, employment relief, foreign service, income relief, and rent income relief, and senior citizen interest, senior citizen relief, and personal relief. Right, personal relief. So employment, does Mr. Pereira having any employment income? No. So therefore, he is not entitled to get employment in relief. And foreign service income, no, he doesn't have any foreign income. Rent income, so he is not any rent income. He is not a senior citizen, therefore he is not entitled for this. And personal relief, personal relief. It is common for all. That is maximum 500,000. But his income, his income, other than capital gain equal how much? So total assessable income is 1 million. Anyhow, in this 1 million, how much capital gain? Capital gain, how much? Capital gain, income equal 600,000. 600,000. So therefore, the balance, how much? Balance assessable income minus capital gain equal 400,000. So maximum 500, but his income other than capital gain equal 400,000. Therefore, we can take only 400,000 as personal relief, not 500,000, 400,000. Right? Now, how much taxable income? How much taxable income now? Assessable income minus total relief. How much? Yes, capital gain is part of investment income. Capital gain is part of investment income, no issue. But under investment income, we have to break up as capital gain and non-capital gain income, right? Any questions? Any questions? Right. If it's clear, I ask one question. If his business income equal, say 700,000, how much is taxable income? My question is, if business income not 400,000, business now business income equals 700,000, then can you calculate how much taxable income? How much taxable income? Any answers? Any clever students? Please post your answer. Right, now we'll check one MS12 replate 900,000. Right, now business income is 700,000, right? We put 700,000. Now total assessable income equal 1.3 million. Now we have to deduct the capital gain. How much capital gain? 600,000. Then therefore 700,000 is available. So as a personal relief, we can go for maximum of how much? 500,000. So therefore his taxable income equal 800,000. Wait, is right clear? Any questions you can ask? Any questions? Some of you are maybe confused. If so, please ask questions. Capital gain is already given to us. In this example, they have given us here in the example gain, right? The rupees 600,000 of gain from the realization of portfolio of unlisted shares. That has, right? It is what he has purchased shares and he resell that and he get capital gain, right? See the answer. Right now, business income 700,000. Investment income is what? 600,000. This investment income consists of one. That is what? Capital gain. This investment income come from capital gain, right? Anyhow, total assessable income equal total of these. equal 1.3 million. There are 5 different reliefs: employment income, foreign service income, rent income, senior citizen relief, and personal relief. So he is not entitled for employment relief because in this source of income he does not have any employment income. Therefore, he is not entitled to get this employment relief. And foreign service income, he does not have any foreign service income. Therefore, he is not entitled to get this. And rent income, he is not get any income from rent. So therefore, he is not entitled to claim 25% of the total income. Therefore, 0. He is not a senior citizen. Therefore, that is there. And right, and personnel. Now, according to the amendments here, relief rupees 500,000 for each year of assessment for the individual, right? How much? Maximum 500,000. Further, this relief is not available to deduct against the gain from realization of investment assets. According to the question, example, he is selling what? He is selling shares. 600 of gain from realization of portfolio of unlisted shares, right? So this is a capital gain. This 600,000 is a capital gain, right? So now we have to decide. His business income is 100,000, so he can go for maximum of 500,000 as a personal relief. Therefore, maximum limit is 500,000, right? And therefore, total relief equal 500,000. So assessable income equal 1.3 million minus total relief 500,000 equal 800,000. Clear? Right. Now we move to next example. See the answer. Mr. Pereira is entitled to apply the basic relief against his business income of rupees 400,000, but not against investment gain 600,000. Accordingly, his taxable income will be 600,000. How? 600,000 is a capital gain, investment income plus business income. His relief equal 400,000. The excess relief rupees 100,000 will be disregarded. He is not allowed. Right. Then question number 2. Question number 2. Read this. Mr. Pereira has received employment income equal 800,000, business income equal 200,000, investment income 400,000. Out of this 400,000, comprising rupees 100,000 of gain from realization of investment assets and rent income 300,000. Rent income 300,000. Assume Ms. Fernando has no any other income and tax resident in Sri Lanka for that year of assessment 1819. What is her taxable income? Right? Are you clear about this question? Are you clear? Right. Shall we go for calculation? Okay. Employment income is equal 800,000. Employment income 800,000. And how much business income? It's 200,000. Investment income 400,000. There's no other income, therefore total assessable income equal 1.4 million, right? 1.4 million, right? Here we can divide this investment income we can divide this investment income into two parts. How? Capital gain equal 100,000 and rent income equal 300,000, right? Total 400,000, right? Do you have any doubt on calculation of assessable income? Right, no, right. Now we go for relief, right? Does he eligible for employment relief? Relief for employment? Yes, yes. How? He is getting employment income of rupees 800,000. But employment income relief maximum how much? Maximum go for 700,000. Right. If an individual has an employment income, he is entitled to sum of rupees 700,000 up to the total of such individual's income from employment for the year. Right. Therefore, he is eligible to get 700,000. Right. He does not have any foreign service income. Rent income, right? He has rent income. He has rent income. Therefore, he is eligible to get 25% of rent income. Rent income is 10,000 into 0.25, 7,500. He's not a senior citizen. And also, how much personal relief? Personal relief. So here we have already taken 700,000. It's mean balance 1,000 is available, and business income is 200,000 available. Investment income, so we can't take capital gain, and rent income we already taken. Then how much we have? Only 300,000. See the answer. C is entitled to apply the basic relief against employment income of rupees 800,000, business income 200,000, rent 7,000, and also entitled to apply employment income relief 700,000. She is not entitled to relief in respect to gain in relation of investment asset. The maximum relief Spenando will offset rupees 500,000 if in full against his business income 200 and rent income. Salary taxable income is 100 from employment, right? To maximize relief will offset rupees 500,000 business income, right? Okay, right. Right. Now, the point of view of taxpayer, does he willing to maximize or minimize the tax payable amount? Tax, they want to minimize or maximize their tax payable, tax liability. As a rational person, all the times he tried to minimize the tax liability. Therefore, what he do is first he claim 700,000 for his employment income, right? And second, he claims how much balance without getting this relief, right? He already out of this 800,000 he claimed 700,000 relief, so balance how much? 100,000. And he is liable to get personal relief from this business income 200,000 and rent income 300,000. Business income 200,000 plus this 300. How much? 200,000 plus 300,000 equal 500,000. He already claimed relief for this rent income. Therefore, he is not liable to get uh, relief for this income. Right? Zero. Now, then how much? Taxable income equal 200,000. Right? Yes. Result in taxable income of rupees 100,000 from employment income and rupees 100,000 from realization of investment assets. Right? How much? Altogether 100,000 plus 100,000 equal 200,000. So you will get 200,000. Clear? If any doubt, please ask questions. If you are not clear, please ask questions. Any questions, please, you can ask. You can ask any questions if you are not clear. Sometimes you may doubt on this area, rent income. Right? If you put here, right, one question comes. Personal relief, why is differ? Right. Right. Okay. According to the relief, right? For rent income, how much he can entitle? Rent income is 300,000 into 0.25%. How much? 75, right? And out of this investment income, 400,000, he is entitled to get, he is already claimed 75,000, right? Therefore, he is not liable, he is not eligible to get relief again and again for one source of income. So already he has claimed 75,000, right? For this 100,000, for this 100,000 is not, he is not liable to, he is not eligible to get relief because it's a capital gain. So therefore, investment income he already taken. So balance how much? This 100 is only this 200,000 business income. Business income plus this 100,000. How much? Relief only 200,000 plus unclaimed employment income 100,000 equal 300,000. Now how much? Taxable income. Now taxable income this much, right? So one person asked question, how do we get this 100,000? So 800,000 is employment income. He's got relief 700,000. So balance how much? This 100,000, right? Not claimed. This business income is not claimed 200,000. Therefore, 200,000 plus 100,000 equal 300,000. This investment income is a breakup, capital gain 100,000, rent income 300,000. We already claimed 25% of rent income. So we can't again claim for the same source of income, right? Any questions? This 100,000 is not eligible to get personal relief. Any questions? You can do this way, or you can claim 300,000 plus 200,000, and taxable income will be 200,000. How? Here, this here 700,000. Here there's no. Here rent income 0, 0, and 500,000. You can claim. Then you will get how much? and equal taxable income minus. So which is better, A or B? Both are correct. 325,000 and 200,000 both are correct. But as a taxpayer, all the times he tried to maximize the benefits given by the government. Therefore, he utilized in this way. Right? Both answers are correct. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Now question number 3. Mr. Ananda has received rupees 1.5 million income from his employment for the year of assessment 1819. Assume Mr. Ananda has no any other income and is resident in Sri Lanka for the year of assessment. What's the taxable income? Assume that here he has only one source of income. How much? 1.5 million. Right? He does not have any other income. Right? He does not have any other income, only income. Right? So therefore, assessable income equal 1.5 million, and he has eligible to get this employment income because he has employment income. Therefore, he can get maximum of relief. FSI no rent income, no senior citizen, personal relief. How much balance? So 1.5 million minus 700,000 equal how much? Right, say 800,000. From this 800,000, he is eligible to get maximum of 500,000. Right? So therefore, his taxable income equal 300,000. Clear? Right. See the answer. Mr. Ananda is entitled to apply the full basic relief and the full employment income relief against his employment income, resulting in taxable income equal 300,000. How? Employment income equal 1.5 million, basic relief 500,000, employment relief 700,000, tax relief equal 1,000. This question is about effectively connected, right? Gayan owns company A, which is in the business of renting of office space. Company A derives business rental income 4 million. In addition, Gayan has inherited residential property from his late father, which he does not use as his principal resident, but instead rent it out for rupees 1 million for a year. Assume that he has not claimed deduction for the actual expenditure for repair, maintenance, and depreciation of the residential property. What is the taxable income of Mr. Gayan? Right, Mr. Gayan is the owner of company A. His main business is renting. Right, his main business is renting office spaces. Company A derives a business rental income 4 million, right? In addition to that, Gayan has inherited a house, a residential property from his late father. His father was passed away, so he has given one property, right? And he used that property for rental purpose, renting purpose, which he does not use as his principal residence, but instead he rents it out for 1 million for a year. Then it's not a rent income, it should be treated as a business income. His main business is giving property for rent and earn rent income. He is entitled to apply the full 500,000 basic relief as well as full rental income relief of 25% of 1 million against his investment income, resulting in taxable income of rupees 250,000 from investment income. Company A is not entitled to the rental relief as an entity and not an individual. right? In company's point of view, it can't be. However, company A is entitled to claim a deduction of any actual expenditure for repair, improvement, and office under the capital allowance. Right? Question number 5. Right. Sunimal has taxable income of rupees 3 million for the year of assessment to 1819. In that year, he made a monetary donation of 200,000 as well as valuable furniture worth rupees 500,000 to approved charitable institution. In addition, he also made a donation of rupees 100,000 in cash and book worth 200,000 to Buddhist Pali University. So, how it is? Now, he already calculated taxable income. How much taxable income of Mr. Sunimal is 3 million, right? In that year, he made monetary donation. Here, money, donation in terms of money of rupees 200,000 as well as valuable furniture worth rupees 500,000 to an approved charitable institution. In addition, he also made donation of rupees 100,000 in cash and books worth 200,000 to Buddhist and Pali University. Right? We will work out. Right? Taxable income. That we can deduct leave and qualifying payment. The qualifying payment, there are two things. Number one is approved charity. Number two, government. So, right. Here, his taxable income equal 3 million. There is no information about reliefs. And qualifying payment. Under qualifying payment, he has donated how much? In that year, he made monetary donation 200 and valuable furniture 500,000. From these two, all donation equals 700,000. But we can take only 200,000 because this only 200,000 donation made in terms of money. We can't take this 500,000 because it is not in terms of money. So therefore, we can claim for this 200,000 only in cash. So therefore, for approved charity, we can deduct only for 200,000, right? And in addition, he also made a donation of rupees 100,000 in cash and books, both, right? For Buddhist Pali University, it's 100% eligible. How much? It's equal 100,000. Then how much taxable income? 300,000 minus 270,000, 2,070,000. The aggregate qualifying payment that Sunimal is entitled to deduct from his employee's income for the year of assessment 1819 is 375 million. Right? Let's see. Right. I made mistake. What's the mistake? It says the Act says what's the maximum limit? What's the maximum limit? 75,000. Right? I made mistake. Very sorry, but approved charity. So maximum is lower of 1/3 of taxable income or 75,000 or actual amount. So we have to take only 75,000. right? 75,000, right? Uh, right. Aggregate qualifying payment, the Sunimal is entitled to deduct from his employee income for the year of assessment is 375. The full, how much Buddhist and Pali University? Right, sorry, right. In addition, he also made donation of rupees 100,000 in cash and book 200,000. Total how much? 100,000 plus 200,000, right? 300,000, right? Total how much? Right? He is eligible to claim 375, right? Yes. The aggregate qualifying payment that Sunimal is entitled to deduct from his employment income, his income for the year of assessment 1819 is 375,000. The full 300,000 to Buddhist and Pali University, which is not subject to any cap and applies to both cash and non-cash donation, plus 75,000 for his cash donation to approved charitable institution, which is lower value compared to the one-third of taxable income or rupees 75,000 or whichever is less. So we compute 75,000 is less. The donation of the furniture to approved charitable institution is not qualifying payment, right? Um, Now, then we will, the next section is income tax rate. Okay, it is enough today. If time permits, I can teach you next area as well. Okay, it's enough. I will send you an attendance link. You can register your attendance. If you have any questions, you can post. If you have any questions, you can post the questions.